Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now we will discuss about spatially aware term selection for geotagging. The task of assigning geographical coordinates to textual resource plays an increasingly central role in geographic information retrieval. The ability to select these items from given collection that are most indicative of geographic location of key importance in successfully addressing this task. In this paper, we propose two classes of term selection techniques based on standard geostatistical methods. First, to implement the idea of spatial smoothing of term occurrence, we investigate the use of kernel density estimation to model each term as two-dimensional probability distribution over surface of Earth. The second class of term selection method is considered based on replicate statistic, which measure the deviation of point set from spatial homogeneity. This flow diagram starts with data loading and pre-processing. In this module, data filtering step is carried out. We just convert the raw data into understandable format. In spatial smoothing step, we grouping the similar spatial objects. Then we find out the Chebyshev distance for finding the distance between the spatial objects. Then this Chebyshev distance applied to replicate statistic method. The ranking provided based on the replicate statistic method, then final term selection based on the best ranking provided to the tags. Now let me run our process. In home page, we have to select our census data. Data loaded successfully and data should be viewed. Next, in this frame, we have to perform the pre-processing. In pre-processing, we have to remove the garbage value from the raw data set and convert it into the understandable format. In this frame, the spatial smoothing is performed. In spatial smoothing, the similar spatial objects are grouped. In this frame, we have to calculate the kernel density estimation for each spatial objects. In this frame, we have to calculate the probability distribution for the kernel density estimation. In this frame, we have to calculate the entropy value for spatial objects. In this frame, we have to calculate the Chebyshev distance. The Chebyshev distance is the distance measured between the spatial objects. After calculating the Chebyshev distance, we have to calculate the replicate function. A replicate function is the statistical method which is used to identify the spatially relevant tags. The replique function is calculated. After calculating the replique function, we have to perform the ranking according to the scores of replique function. For example, the Alabama is selected, the relevant tags are getting. Finally, the relevant tags generated based on ranking provided to the spatial locations. Term selector. Thank you.